In this video, I will show you how to remove all blank or empty cells in Excel like this very easily. So let's get started. I have this Excel sheet where I have list of items for each category in these columns. As you can see, there are some blank or empty cells here. What I want to do is to remove all these blank cells such that the items after the blank cells should move up. So this cell should move up to this cell and this cell to this and so on. To do that, first we need to select all the blank cells. Let's start by selecting the range of cells and then press the Ctrl and G keys on the keyboard. That will bring up the Go To menu. Now click the Special button. Select the Blanks option here to select all the blank cells in the selected range. Click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, all the empty cells are now selected. The next step is to delete them. To do that, right-click and then select the Delete option. Now select the Shift Cells Up option to make the non-blank cells move up. Click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, all the blank cells are deleted now and the non-empty cells are moved up in the column to fill the empty cells. In this example, I had my list in the vertical direction. That means items of each category are organized in a column. But what if you have a horizontal list where items of each category are organized in a row like this? If you delete the blank cells by shifting the cells up, the items of one category will be merged with items of another category like this. In such cases, you should select the Shift Cells Left option instead of the Shift Cells Up option like this. Watch this video to learn how to quickly count the number of characters in a cell in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.